Then you also referenced you'll go through and do some education sometimes on the 4 type of policies. I think for a lot of the new agents that we have on here, how does Justin explain to a client on the phone, 17 minutes in, what the 4 types of insurance policies are? How do you word those, just for some, a little higher level education for everybody?
So yeah, I mean, it really depends on the client, right? If some client is like guns blazing, like they swear they can get 100,000 for 20 bucks. I go into a little bit more depth, but just for like the average person, I'll say, hey, there's really 4 types of policies out there. There's accidental, term, whole life, and index universal, right? Accidental, I don't typically show my clients just because it's only going to pay out in an accident, but it's the cheapest thing you can get, right? Term coverage is the next most affordable. It's the reason being is just because when you pass away, it's going to expire on you, right? And 95% of people outlive that if they're healthy enough, right? And I usually say that I'll subtly diss on a product. Like if I know they can't get term, I'm going to kind of diss on it. So that way I can set up whole life, right? If I know that a term would probably be a good option, I'm not going to really say that. But that's what I'll say to the average person. I'll say, and then whole life is, it's permanent coverage. You don't have to be quite as healthy to get it. Because of that, it is going to be, capped usually at like 40, 50,000, and it's going to be more than the other 2. But most people do go that route just because it's going to be guaranteed coverage for them for the rest of their life, right? What are your thoughts on that? And then they give me kind of their thoughts. And you don't ever want to keep the power with them, like ask them where they think they should go, but you do want to kind of get their feedback and then guide them from there.
Got it. Excellent. So thank you.